Hello, this workshop is Effective Kubernetes for Jakarta and MicroProfile developers. My name is Reza Rahman. I am Principal Program Manager for Java on Azure at Microsoft. Although this workshop is slightly geared towards Jakarta and MicroProfile developers, I do think that even if you're not using these technology sets and you're just a Java developer, you will get enough out of this workshop. So do consider joining even if you're not using Jakarta and MicroProfile. But basically in this workshop, we will be talking about how to take advantage of Kubernetes as users of those technology sets, MicroProfile and Jakarta E. Specifically, we'll be talking about how to take advantage of basic Kubernetes primitives like deployments and services and the like, and how to make use of them using Jakarta E and MicroProfile APIs and runtimes. How do you take advantage of things like Kubernetes liveness and readiness probes, things like Prometheus and Grafana for observability. How do you take advantage of Kubernetes operators that these runtimes tend to provide, as well as things like Docker images. And finally, talking about how you put all of this together in a modern CI/CD pipeline. So please join us to learn a little bit about how to make effective use of Kubernetes as a MicroProfile or Jakarta E developer.